Welcome to this video. If you're looking for real ways to make $10,000 in the next 30 days, you are in the right place. The internet has changed the game, and now making serious money is easier than ever if you know where to look. In this video, I'll break down 7 powerful money-making apps that can help you reach that $10,000 goal. These apps are used by thousands of people every day to generate passive income, side hustle cash, and even full-time business revenue. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a bonus app that can multiply your earnings even faster. Let's get started. 1. Upwork. Get paid for your skills. Upwork is one of the best platforms to turn your skills into real cash. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, video editor, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, Upwork connects you with high-paying clients worldwide. Thousands of freelancers make $10,000 per month just by offering services they're good at. And the best part? You don't need years of experience. AI tools like Chat for writing, Canva for design, and CapCut for video editing can help you deliver high-quality work quickly. The key is to set up a professional profile, start with a competitive rate, and build your reputation with great reviews. Once you have a few clients, you can increase your rates and scale up fast. Pro tip: use AI tools to increase your efficiency and take on more clients, doubling or even tripling your income. 2. Airbnb. Make money from extra space. Airbnb is a goldmine for passive income, especially if you have an extra room, a garage apartment, or even a storage space. But here's the secret: you don't even need to own a house to make money on Airbnb. Thousands of people use a strategy called rental arbitrage, where they rent properties long-term and then sublease them on Airbnb for short-term stays. Some hosts are pulling in $10,000 per month doing this in prime locations. With the right setup, you can easily earn $300 per night renting out a small space. Pro tip: optimize your Airbnb listing with high-quality photos and competitive pricing to stand out in search results. 3. TaskRabbit. Get paid for simple tasks. TaskRabbit is an easy way to make quick cash doing simple tasks like assembling furniture, running errands, moving and packing, or even basic tech help. If you enjoy hands-on work, you can earn $50–100 per hour. And some taskers make $10,000 per month just by offering handyman services in high-demand cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. No special skills are required, just a willingness to help people and complete tasks efficiently. Pro tip: focus on high-demand areas and take on urgent last-minute tasks to earn extra cash through surge pricing. 4. Poshmark. Flip clothes for profit. Poshmark is a reselling platform where you can flip clothes, shoes, and accessories for profit. If you have designer brands or vintage pieces lying around, this app lets you sell them for a good price. Many sellers are making $10,000 per month just by sourcing cheap thrift store finds and reselling them at a markup. With the right strategy, you can scale this into a full business. Pro tip: look for high-demand brands at thrift stores, take professional-looking product photos, and offer discounts for bundle purchases to attract more buyers. 5. HoneyGain. Get paid for your internet. HoneyGain is a unique passive income app that pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. All you have to do is install the app and let it run in the background. The company uses your bandwidth for market research and business intelligence, and in return, you get paid. Some users make $100–300 per month just by running the app on multiple devices, and when combined with other passive income sources, it's a great way to reach your $10,000 goal faster. Pro tip: use multiple devices and refer friends to increase your earnings significantly. 6. Shopify. Start an online store. Shopify is the ultimate platform for starting an e-commerce business. With dropshipping, print-on-demand, and digital product sales, you don't even need to handle inventory. Some Shopify sellers make $10,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 per month by finding trending products and running effective ads. The secret is finding high-demand products and marketing them the right way, using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads. Pro tip: start small with low-cost testing, scale winning products, and leverage AI-generated ads for better conversions. 7. YouTube automation. Earn from faceless videos. YouTube is one of the most profitable platforms right now, and the best part is, you don't even need to show your face. With YouTube automation, you can create faceless videos, like this one using AI tools. Many channels in the finance, business, and motivation niches are making $10,000 per month or more just from YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can use cashback for script writing, Pictory for video editing, and 11 Labs for AI voiceovers to create high-quality content without ever recording yourself. Pro tip: focus on high CPM niches like finance and business to earn the most ad revenue per video. Bonus app: Fiverr. Sell AI services automation. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can sell AI-generated services like logos, ebooks, and voiceovers. Many people are making 5,820 per month simply by reselling AI-generated work. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money without needing to create original content yourself. Pro tip: find high-demand AI services, set competitive prices, and use Fiverr's gig promotion feature to attract more clients. And there you have it, 7 powerful money-making apps that can help you reach $10,000 in the next 30 days. These are proven strategies that real people are using every day. The key is to start now. Stay consistent and keep optimizing your methods. Which app are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making strategies.